today we are gonna unbox something very, very beautiful. And it's been always my favorite thing. So let's see. But I don't think it's on the table. You guess where it is. Ta-da! It's here! The iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm gonna be unboxing it today. So let's start. It's gonna have some many features. You have to see till the end. So let's start from here or here? Maybe here. So satisfying. Oh my god, this is so shiny and beautiful phone. Oopsies. Oh my god. You know what? This is even bigger than my hands. How to take this out? This is very, very big than my hands. Have a look. Okay, now we are gonna unbox the main part. 3, 2, 1, and so satisfying. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is wonderful. Let's see the rest of the things now. Wow. Okay, but where is the... Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you understand. Oh, come on, Apple. Let's see what's in there. Oh, stickers. I love sticking Apple sticker on my notebook. Okay, now let's put this back. We don't need this anymore. Bye-bye. Let's look at the phone. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, so now let's gonna on it. 3, 2, 1, and... it didn't get on. What's wrong with this? Am I holding it too?
Just a little harder.
Hello? Are you sleeping? Hello?
Keep it held for some time.
Apple logo! Yay! Come on. Faster, 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 faster! Hello! It's setting up. So now I'm gonna show you one of the features. See, this button, just press. You'll get camera, and then if you wanna zoom out, you'll get here. Just go down for zoom out, zoom in, for everything. And then if you go to people, it will be front camera. And then you like zoom and see how zoom it goes. So much. So this is one of the features of this iPhone. And I forgot to tell you that we have some more accessories for this iPhone. We had to buy a lot. Let's see them. I will be careful. Okay, so this is the adapter. This is the phone. That's fair. Then we put this on the camera, back camera. This camera is for safety. And this is the case. I would like to unbox this case right now. Okay, so let's unbox this case. Let's unbox this now. So now we are gonna unbox it from here. Sweep! So satisfying, and now it opens so easily. Dun, ta-da! Case of iPhone, but why won't it come off? So cute. And now we are gonna put it very safely because I'm scared how to put this now. iPhone, so beautiful. And guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Bye.